No cap press, no problem. What if I told you that you can still achieve professional design on your cap using the tools you already have at home? Let me show you DIY method that save money and still deliver good results. Not everyone have access to car heat press, especially when you are just starting out or working on a budget. In this video, I will walk you through how to press on cap using alternative tools. The first thing you need to do is to create a DIY where you can lay your cap. Then you pre-press your cap before putting your design on it. There are different printing methods we can use for cap. The printing process we are using for this cap is called DTF. And use iron to transfer your design to the cap. DTF is a cold print and you allow it to cool for few seconds or minutes before you remove the film, and make sure that you repress the cap for better results. If there is anything you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.